How's it going, everyone? It's Financial Crypto. There's someone buying a lot of Bitcoin right now. I want to talk about it because they have started to buy very heavily, becoming one of the top Bitcoins holder over the last month. So it's absolutely nuts how much they are buying. Also, I want to talk about why crypto is moving up right now. We have some big buying by institutions. So give me the format. 1. Overview company. 2. Top news from today. And the third, why we need to be cautious. If you stopped by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel and smash that button for me. I would really appreciate it. Without further ado, let's get into it. Welcome back and thank you so much for being here. We start with the first ask, overview market. Bitcoin is now over $40,000. It's up 12% over the last 7 days. Altcoins are lagging a little bit behind right now from where they were a couple days. So I've been saying dips are for buying. Like if you see a dip in bullish trend, that's typically a great time to be buying for long term. Plan B says, in my opinion, ETFs like BlackRock are currently front loading BTC to miners instead of exchanges. Buying BTC directly on exchanges will impact the price too much. Buying and directly from miners will impact hash rate, not much price. Might explain current hash rate explosion. And we can see some of exchange doing well. The exchange stock like Coinbase today up 52% over the last month. It's a large market cap. Like people are plowing in hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars into the company to make it go up. Bitfarms is up 78%. CleanSpark or maybe CleanSpark is up 116%. These stocks are doing extremely well. In my opinion, I think there are a lot of big entities that are loading up on crypto related stocks and Bitcoin instead of buying Bitcoin directly. Move on, second ask. Quick updates on the market. We see what's going on in the world and look at this number by the day. The week is unbelievable and the year, I mean, this is just a great year. Look at over here for the day, we got all sorts of people just in green, right? And now all times higher on the horizon. I feel like I'm bullish right now. We got a lot of going on in the news today. In the last week, the Bitcoin is up 12% for the general market. You have to be in the market for a year to get this 12% these days. But let's take a look at some of the headlines for the week. We got Franklin Templeton CEO now hosts Bitcoin, Ethereum, and UNISSwap. And we see that Franklin Templeton is one of the companies diving into Bitcoin ETF space. Bitcoin now hit $40,000. This has been a long bear market and happy to see all the green candles that are pumping. Bitcoin market cap overtake Berkshire Hathaway. It's now one of the 10 biggest assets by market cap, following Meta and Nvidia. Look at this, gold price hits all-time high as traders bet on interest rate cuts. The price of gold has surged to all-time higher, boosted by a fall in US dollars, as traders watch up their bets that the Federal Reserve will cut the interest rate next. Inflation, as measured by personal spending, increased in line with expectations in October, absolutely, possibly giving the Federal Reserve more incentive to hold rates steady and perhaps start cutting in 2024, according to the data released Tuesday. The month November realized a huge performance. We have the Dow ends up 80.8% best month since October 2022, and we have SP 500 ends up 8.4% best month since July 2022, and we have absolutely Nasdaq ends up 10.7% best month since July 2022. We get the end of the video. Make sure that you are a subscriber. I appreciate it. Thank you for your time. See you next one.